Join me today as we take a look at this gorgeous southern lakefront treehouse in Georgia. It is $5,599,000, 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and it is 6,634 square feet. This stunning staircase is custom Canadian log, and it spans 5 levels, and it's actually wrapped around a continuous tree trunk. This house is fully furnished, so all the furnishings that you see go along with the house. I love this wall of windows. It makes this space so bright and seem so massive. This home has a lot of natural wood in it. I'd love to know your thoughts on that. I think I've shared in previous videos my thoughts on natural wood. Sometimes I really love it and sometimes it's a bit much. I think personally in this listing I would tone it down a little bit. But let me know what you think in the comments. I'd really love to know. I love all of the natural light that this house has, and the views are absolutely spectacular. And I've noticed that almost every single room has a fireplace in it, so that's a huge bonus for me. This home is actually on its very own peninsula. You have 0.61 acres, so not quite an acre, but it is absolutely spectacular. These views are unbelievable. I am a huge kayaker, and I think it'd be amazing to just be able to drop your kayak out there, especially on a beautiful day. I don't know about the gator situation in Georgia. I know here in Florida it's crazy, and I know they have some gators, but I'm just over the whole gator thing. But I hope you enjoyed this house, and please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't hit that like and subscribe, please do. And as always, thank you for watching.